welcome back to the channel. It's me, Searbear, and if you're new here, hello, my name is Searbear. It is so nice to meet you. Dun, 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 dun. I'm back today with another recipe from the Adventure Time Cookbook. What are we making? Oh my gosh, I'm so glad you asked. We are making Multiverse pickles. I got some water on the page. Whoops. But that's what we're doing. Well, I've never pickled anything before, and I really want to, so I really hope it goes well, because I want pickled carrots all the time. I'm craving those bad boys always, so I'm really looking forward to this. So it doesn't seem too bad. There's only like 5 steps to it. I got it so wet, dude. It looks a little rough. Adds character. We're making Multiverse pickles by Prismo. We have a little thing right up here, and look at that picture of Prismo. Wow, he's so cool. Oh, you've made it to my pickle page. Well done. Sorry about Donnie back there. I've looked across dozens of realities, and I'm sorry to say that there's always going to be a Donnie. He might be called Greg or Jenny or your boss, but he exists across all space and time. So ignore him. Have a pickle. It's sour and it's crunchy, and it preserves cucumbers, which is a nice thing to do to a cucumber. Also, this recipe contains a secret ritual to bring me back from the dead. Maybe it'll work for you too. If not, it's still a yummy pickle. Fun. Okay. Alright, and here are all the ingredients. And 6 cups of water. So this one is, we gotta wait at least 4 to 5 days minimum. So it's gonna be cool. Let's go ahead and try it out, and yeah, that's it. Place the clean and rinsed whole cucumbers in a jar or container that fits them best, with some room to spare for the pickling liquid. I don't know. Bring the coriander, chili flakes, mustard seed, black peppercorns, bay leaves, salt, garlic, and water to a boil. Cool over in ice bath or refrigerator until completely cold and chilled. Once chilled, pour all those ingredients into the container with the cucumbers and add the dill. Make sure cucumbers are completely submerged. You know what they say, an unsubmerged cucumber, never a pickle shall be. Oh. Place in the refrigerator for minimum 4 to 5 days before tasting. This may take up to 2 to 3 weeks, depending upon the thickness of the cucumbers. Okay. There it is. I'll check back in a couple days. Hello. It's been about 3 weeks since I made the beginning of that, and it said like up to 3 weeks, so here we are. We're gonna try it. Okay, hold on. Let me show you. Oh my god. Hold on. Is it supposed to look like that? I guess because of the pepper flakes. I didn't shake it though. I kept forgetting to shake. Am I gonna die? How badly does botulism hurt? I don't know. Look. Do you see them? They look like pickles. I mean, that's what we're making. Okay. Let's smell it. Hold on. Mr. Bear isn't home, so I gotta open this by myself. I don't need no man. I don't need no man. Oh, but it made a noise. Oh, bubbles. I saw bubbles. Okay. Okay, let's see how pungent this is. Ah, okay. Oh my god, it smells like pickles. Oh my god, it smells good. Are you joking me? Okay. Okay, let's try it. Let's try this pickle, dude. Dude, it smells like a pickle. Can you believe that? That's crazy. Gnarly. Doom, 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 doom. It's stuck in my head. Everything's gnarly. Oh my god, how am I gonna get it out? Hold, please. That's your whole music. Come here. Making beats for boredom chick freaking gnarly. Gnarly. Jealous of my mention? Oh god. Okay, I'm gonna get a plate. Oh my god. Oh my god. Do you see that? That's a fucking pickle. Smells like it. It's been a couple of weeks, so I like, wait, the longer you put it in, the better? I'm not sure, honestly. So let's try it. Did you hear that crunch? I did. Okay. I should look up the signs of botulism. I'm scared. This tastes good though. Dude, this is rad as fuck. I'm not sure about the aftertaste though. It tastes a little off. Like slightly, but maybe because I should have put everything that was in there. But I mean, it doesn't taste bad. I said it tastes good. It does taste good. And you hear the crunch? That was a crunchy ass pickle. Now we have our multiverse pickles for the next thing we're gonna make, which is the oh, I forgot to do the reveal. And here's the reveal. It's too late. It's been a couple of weeks. What? Do you want some pickles? I don't even know if you can eat pickles. It's just pickles. Oh, I love her so much. Do you see her? She's so precious. You're so precious. Oh, you're so cute. Okay. Well, that's all I got for you guys. Now, would I make this again? Low key, I think I would. I have broken the pickling. I don't know what word I'm gonna say next. We'll see if I'm still alive later. Okay, no, I need to stop with these jokes. But anyway, look at it. This is what it looks like on the inside. Doesn't it look like a fucking pickle? That's right. The answer is yes, okay? Gnarly! I could still taste like cucumber. I mean, obviously, but like, usually when I have pickles, they're like, the pickle is like the thing that takes over the flavor, but I can taste the cucumber, so it still tastes kind of fresh, which is kind of cool. Not kind of, it is cool. But yay, we did it, yay! What do you guys think of pickles? Do you like pickles? I like them. But now I want to try pickling things. I think the next thing I want to try to pickle, how many times do I say pickle in this video? But I think the next thing I'm going to try and pickle is carrots. Carrots. I love eating pickled carrots so much. I could eat that as a snack too, so I'm really happy with this. Thank you, Rat, for your suggestion. Okay, so yay! That's what we did. We made multiverse pickles this week. So we got pickles. So next one is going to be hamburger monster. We're gonna do hamburger monster next. And I also got a suggestion for trying out the Lich King poppers as well as honey energy drink. So those are the other ones that I have added to the list on what to make. If there's anything that you guys want me to make from this cookbook, please let me know. You can check right here. I feel weird because it's not above me right now. So anyway, there you go. So if there's anything that you guys want me to make from here, please feel free. I am also going through a few other cookbooks. I'm going through both the Gudetama and the Final Fantasy 14 cookbook. So if there's anything that you guys want me to make from there as well, I should have the options in those videos. If not, you guys can call me out. I'll take it. I'll take that out. Yay, we did it. Yay! Oh my god, I can't believe it. Pickles. Ah! Thank you, Rat, for the suggestion. Oh my god. And then when I make the burger and I'm gonna have the pickles I made. That's so cool. Isn't that so neat? Wow, yay, we did it. I want to thank you guys so much for watching through this video and making it until the end. Do you guys like pickles? Do you not like pickles? That's okay. I still think you're pretty cool, Pickle. Nope, I couldn't make it work. Anyway, I want to thank you guys so much for taking the time out of your day to watch the video and hang out with me. I hope you had a good time. If you enjoyed it, please let me know down below. Let me know what else you want me to make from here, because Making things I've never made before. Pickles. Bacon pancakes. Actually, technically, okay, anyway. So, yeah. I don't know. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. I don't know. You're in charge of yourself. Bye! Perfect. Ah! Okay. There it is. I'll check back in a couple days.